The tower water system circulates throughout the building to absorb heat and remove it from the facility. Located on the roof are the largest parts of this system, the 7 cooling tower cells. These remove the bulk of the heat from the building to the environment. In each cell, the returning tower water enters at the top and flows down through the tower, starting at the water distributor at the top and ending in the cold water basin at the bottom. Outside air is drawn in through inlet louvers over the heat transfer fill and out the top by the fan. The cooling is accomplished by evaporation of some of the water. At least one tower is running year-round. On a hot day in summer, all of them will be running full out. Our maintenance department keeps equipment like this clean and focuses on minimizing corrosion to ensure that it will continue to operate reliably.